Okay, the last of these simple validation checks I'm going to do is a type check. So you've got a lot of things you can do. So I can check, for example, if I take an input for age, I'm going to take it as a string and I'll explain why. So I can do lots of checks on here to check the type of data it is, but at the minute it's a string regardless of what I type in. So I can check, remember, the type of name, age. So when I run it, if I type something in, even a number, it says it's a string. So I can print if that is equal to int, and it will say false. So you can use this int, str, bool, float, etc. to check the type of data that's inputted. But the most common use case I see for this is people want to check if something is a number before they convert it to become an integer, because I've told you about taking in a number like this. Okay, the problem with this is that when I run it and I enter an age that's a string, I've tried to convert that into an integer, but you can't convert these letters into an integer, so it errors. So I could put this behind a try and accept and things like that. That's absolutely fine. But the other way of doing it, which is simpler, is I could say while age, let me put that, get rid of the convert there. So while age dot is digit, which is like is alpha, while that is equal to false, which is the same as saying while not age dot is digit, if you ever see that. While age dot is digit is equal to false, then I can basically do the thing where we ask them again, and we might print out a nice little message. So print, please enter a number, enter age again, and then the conversion would happen here. So I'd say age equals int of age. So if I convert it after this check, to pass this check, it's got to be the numbers 1 to 9 or combinations thereof, or 0 to 9. So then I could print the code continues. So when I now run this, if I enter something that's words, it's not letting me through because it's saying please enter a number, because this is deemed to be false. So if I enter a number, it passes, and it was able to convert it successfully to an integer there. And we can check, because we could print type age. So when we run it, okay, and enter a number, and it says, look, it's an integer, and the code continues. So that's a way to do a type check. That's one example. It's quite a common one of how to make sure they type in numbers when you want them to type in numbers and they don't break your program.